Welcome to Baskaran's Think Differently, Thought 78. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe. AB is a two-digit number, C is a one-digit number. When you multiply AB by C, you get DEF. A, B, C, D, E, F are six distinct numbers from 1 to 6. So, when you multiply a two-digit number by a one-digit number, you get DEF, and all the six digits are distinct numbers from 1 to 6. Find the values of A, B, C, D, E, F. At the outset, A can be chosen in 6 different ways from the 6 numbers. After choosing one number for A, we can choose B in 5 different ways and C in 4 different ways. Of course, DEF is a product that we cannot choose to our whims and fancy. So, A, B, C can be chosen in 6 into 5 into 4, which is 120. So, you can choose A, B, C in 120 ways, and of those 120 ways, only one is going to be the correct answer. How to find that correct answer without rubbing anything? Think differently. First, you are going to eliminate the values B and C cannot take. B cannot take the value 1. Also, C cannot take the value 1. Because if B is 1, when you multiply by C, you will get F is equal to C. And if C is 1, on multiplication, F will become B. So, we will get the same number twice. Hence, B and C cannot be 1. In a similar way, B and C cannot be equal to 5. Why? If B is equal to 5, suppose C is an odd number. When you multiply 5 by an odd number, the product will end with 5 again. So, 5 will be repeated. And when B is equal to 5 and C is an even number, on multiplication, we will get 0, but 0 is not permitted. So, B and C cannot be 5 also. Also, B and C cannot be 6. Why? If B is 6, C cannot be 1. If C is 2, then 2 into 6 will be 12, which ends with 2, which is not permitted. And if C is 3, then 3 into 6 will become 18, and 8 is not permitted. And if you have C is equal to 4, 4 into 6 will be 24, 4 will repeat. So, B and C cannot be 6 also. Of course, C cannot be 5 and C cannot be 6 also, because when B is 6, C cannot be 6. So, B and C cannot be 1, 5 and 6. B and C can take values from 2, 3, 4 only. And from these 3 numbers, which combinations will work out? That we will see. Suppose B is 2. What can be C? C cannot be 2. C can be 3. And C cannot be 4 also, because 4 into 2 will end with 8. So, when B is equal to 2, C can be 3 only. And what are the possibilities for A? On multiplication of AB by C, we get a 3-digit number. Therefore, A cannot be 1. And B is 2, so A cannot be 2. C is 3, so A cannot be 3. So, A can be 4. A can be 5. A can be 6 also. And when you multiply by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. You get 2 twice, so this is wrong. When you multiply 52 by 3, you get 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 5, 15. 5 comes twice, so again wrong. When AB is 62, on multiplication, 3 2s are 6 and 3 6s are 18. 8 should not come, so again wrong. So, B is equal to 2 is ruled out. B can be 3. When B is 3, what are the values for C? Again, C cannot be 1, 5, 6, so C can be 2. And C cannot be 3 because B is 3. 3 cannot come twice. And C can be 4 also. C cannot be 5 and 6. So you can have C 2 or 4. Now what are the possibilities for A? On multiplying by 2 you should get a 3-digit number. So here you cannot have 1, 2, 3. You can have 4. No, not even 4. So 5 and 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 0 comes. 63. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 6 comes twice. So this is also ruled out. Now we go for 4. B is 3, C is 4. We can have 53, 63. When you multiply by 4, 4 3s are 12. You have carry 1. 4 5s are 20. You get 21. 2 comes twice. So ruled out. 63. On multiplication by 4, 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 4 6 are 24. 25. You have 2 times 5. So again ruled out. So B cannot be 2. B cannot be 3. Now the only choice is B is 4. When B is 4, C can be 3. C cannot be 2 because 2 into 4 will end up with 8, which is not permitted. So here you have 3. You cannot have 4, you cannot have 5, you cannot have 6 also. So when you have 4, you can start with 1, you cannot have 24, you cannot have because on multiplication you won't get a 3-digit number. 3 you have already here, so you cannot have 3. 4 you have, so you cannot have 4 here. So the only possibility is 54 and then if possible 64. And multiplication by 3, 3 4s are 12. You have carry 1, 3 5s are 15, 16. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the digits 1 to 6 have come. So this is correct. And 64, when you multiply, 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 6 are 18, you go to 192, which is wrong. So the only possibility is 54 into 3 is equal to 162. You have all the 6 digits from 1 to 6, ones and exactly ones. Think differently.